Hello friends, here is TK Kundu from the Decks of Friendly Tutorial Home with Textual Grammar Do as Directed Part 2 for the students of class 11 under West Bengal Council of Higher Secondary Education. Please listen to me. Now Valentine, said the warden, you will go out in the morning. Narration change. Then addressing Valentine, the warden informed that he would go out in the morning. Leela's face became red. Use verb form of red. Leela's face reddened. Earth has not anything to show more fair. Make it interrogative. Has earth anything to show more fair? He set his suitcase on the table and opened it out flat. Split. Number 1, he set his suitcase on the table. Number 2, he opened it out flat. No, he hasn't taken it, Leela screamed. Narration change. Leela exclaimed with strong denial that he had not taken it. Fine arts liberate our mind. Change the voice. Our mind is liberated by fine arts. They are hurt because they are forgotten. Split. A. They are forgotten. B. They are hurt. And then Ben Price acted rather strangely. Use adjective form of strangely. And then Ben Price's action was rather strange. He would not be allowed to sleep inside the house. Change the voice. Leela's parents, or you can write the owner, would not allow him to sleep inside the house. Ben Price knew Jimmy's habits. Make it negative sentence. Jimmy's habits were not unknown to Ben Price. He was dismayed. The compartment was empty. Join into a simple sentence. The compartment being empty, he was dismayed. I believe that we are not real social workers. Use noun form of belief. It is my belief that we are not real social workers. The engine gave another short whistle and the train began to move. Split. Number 1, the engine gave another short whistle. Number 2, the train began to move. Ladylal opened the brass carrier. Change the voice. The brass carrier was opened by Ladylal. Tell me a story, mother, Leela said. Change the narration. Addressing mother, Leela pleaded to tell her a story. These days, all trains are crowded. Make it negative sentence. These days, no train is without crowd. Have you done it? Asked Leela. Change the narration. Leela asked if he had done it. The signal came down and the clanging of the bell announced the approaching train. Make it simple sentence. With the coming down of the signal, the clanging of the bell announced the approaching train. As soon as he came into her life, immediately she went in haste to give that good news. Make it negative sentence. No sooner had he come into her life than she went in haste to give that good news. An educated college student keeps his clothes and things in disorganized mess. Change the voice. The clothes and things are kept in disorganized mess by an educated college student. So guys, these are some textual grammar for you. I hope you have understood and it will be helpful for you all. Thanks for listening to me.